As you can see, there's the original clamp. It is, wow, really? This kind of sucks. So we have got an issue with Project Stepchild. This car has to be running today. I guess I'll be pulling axles and sending them back to DSS. What's going on, and welcome back. So first and foremost, I want to apologize for my voice. Been kind of under the weather lately, but we've got work to do. I've got things to do on Project Stepchild that has to get done. Second of all, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel, supported my channel. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers. We hit it last night in my live stream. Can't thank you guys enough for watching my videos, sticking around, bearing with me, bearing with me through some of the boring parts and some of the long-winded things that we have to do for these builds. But man, I really appreciate everybody out there that has subscribed and has supported my channel. Now, on to this video. So we have got an issue with Project Stepchild. We've got some things going on that have to get fixed, and let me show you what I'm dealing with so you can see what is going on with this. So first I want to show you the back of my wheel here. We have got a problem. That is grease inside the barrel of the wheel there. That is not good. And as you can see, we've got the rear brakes and everything pulled off to try to fix this issue. Now let me show you what's going on. As you can see, that band clamp around the CV joint is not quite on there. That is actually the new clamp. Let me show you the original clamp that was on these axles. It is too thin for these boots. And what it's allowed to do, or what it has allowed to happen, is the grease has been pushed out of the boot. These clamps are not holding the boot down very well at all. So, as you guys probably know, these are the DSS 2000 horsepower axles. I did get a hold of DSS, and they did send me the new clamps. As you can see, I have the new clamp on the passenger side. The problem is I cannot get it tight enough without the proper tool. So we are waiting on the tool. It's supposed to get here today. So once that gets here, I'm going to try to get these clamps on, get them tight, get Stepchild back on the road, because we have got some things to do. This car has to be running today, and I have to get it cleaned up today. We've got some things happening that I'm going to bring to you guys that I'm really excited about. It's going to be really cool. I think you're going to like it. But we have got to get this car on the road. There is no time to waste. And unfortunately, I'm not feeling that great, so this kind of sucks. But we've got things to do. This has to happen. I have to keep grinding. But anyway, stick with me through this video. Let's see if I can get these fixed. Let's see if I can get Stepchild back on the road. Stick with me. All right, so tool came in, and I wanted to give you a quick little look at this tool. It's very simple, but very necessary when you're dealing with these clamps. But here it is. It's a pretty simple tool on the end here. You know, it's open there. That sits against the buckle of the clamp, and the clamp slides into the groove here, and then you'll turn that. It winds up, pulls it tight, flip the tool over the CV joint, and locks that clamp in place. So I will show you this in use in just a moment. We'll get these clamps on. As we're on the passenger side, I'm going to attempt to tighten this clamp and get this one installed. So you can see the tool slides over. It's got the little teeth up front there. Now I'm gonna have to start back here, I think, to get this to roll over. And need to make sure I keep everything in the groove of the boot. It feels like it, so let's see what we can do here. And I'm hitting, which is not good. I'm not quite sure how tight this is supposed to be. That I was not able to find information on that online, so I'm just kind of going by feel here, really. I know you need it tight, but you don't want it too tight, so I'm not quite sure. At that point, it's actually kind of stopping. So now we're going to try to roll the tool up and over. If I can get past caliper here. So hopefully that has maintained the tension on it. And we slide this out. And so this has to go down. If you can see these two tabs here, I'm not sure if you can see that. What we got to do first is hammer this down so that it sits flat. Now this is my first attempt at doing this, so hopefully I get it right the first time here. Let's see. Trying not to lose tension on this, and I'm not left-handed. We're trying to get this flat. Trying not to obstruct the view of the camera, but that's a little hard to do. And I've also seen where people will punch here as well to get that to squeeze the strap. That's that. Now I think at this point I'm going to try to cut off the excess. I don't want to wait till I've got it clamped all the way down, because then I might not be able to get to it. So let's see if we can get this. I guess I'm going to fold those tabs down and you know, try to get, see if they'll hold that in place. I don't know. Not the easiest thing to do on the car, that's for sure. Now, if it was right in front of you on a table, workbench or something, probably be a whole lot easier. But this is not the most fun or easiest thing I've had to do, so I really hope this fixes the problem, because man, if I have to keep messing with this. Finally, geez. Alright, so now we'll try to tap all that down, get it flat so hopefully it doesn't snag on anything. So now my concern still is, it looks like it's bulging here just a little bit. I'm not sure what to think about that. But the boot seems pretty tight. Hopefully it won't move around on me. I don't know, I hope this solves the issue. If not, I'll be pretty upset about that. It does look like it pushed a little bit of grease out here, but hopefully I'm sure that's just residual in there. Man, I really hope this solves the issue. So that one's on. I guess we're gonna see how this goes, and I'm really getting tired of getting grease all over me. There's grease everywhere. We'll see. I mean, it's on there. I'm not sure how well I did, but we will find out, I'm sure. So we're gonna move on to the driver's side now, get that one clamped down, and see what we can do with it, see if we can get this buttoned up and back on the road. All right, so as you saw, we got the passenger side done. I went ahead and went over to the driver's side. Driver's side is complete as well. I really hope this holds up. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do if it doesn't. I'm gonna be highly upset. If it doesn't, I guess I'll be pulling axles and sending them back to DSS, which I hope I don't have to do, but got the wheels cleaned up. No more grease inside there. Well, shadow's in the way. No more grease inside the wheels. I did have to use some brake cleaner in there. I didn't want to do that, but we'll see. But we got everything buttoned up. The driver's side is buttoned up as well. So hopefully that fixes it. I've got to get this car cleaned up. I've got to have it ready to be on the road. Like I said before, got something going on that I really need this car to be running. So, but that's it for now. Again, apologize for my voice. One of them things. We're gonna get the car back on the ground. I think I'll probably drive it tomorrow, and hopefully we'll not get any grease slung anywhere whatsoever. I hope not. But anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you on the next one.